have your brother.
I just want to let you know that I'm gonna inherit everything Dad had. Okay? I'm gonna inherit everything.
No, of course not. Okay? We need to share the stuff equally. Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean by sharing equally?
Yes, I know what you mean. But I'm older. I should get more of the stuff.
It doesn't matter
You should
how.
respect me.
It doesn't matter how old you are. It doesn't matter how old you are, unless we share the stuff equally. Do you agree?
Yes, I agree. Fine. Fine. We'll share it equally. I get half the money and I get the land. You get half the money and you get the house. Okay? Is that fair?
Yes.
Agreed?
Agree.
Happy?
We all agree. And we're all happy.
I'm happy. You happy?
Yes.
Fair?
Yes.
Okay.